Hi friends, so I did say that I would do a new scrap room, craft room setup. So we moved into our new house yesterday. We're here. I'm sat in the garden enjoying a bit of the sun this morning, and I'll take you in to show you the state of the craft room currently, and we'll go through step by step the setup, the storage ideas and that sort of thing. So this is the mess of a craft room currently. I have everything absolutely everywhere. I've got my 4x4 Kallax, and then I've stacked my 1x4 on top of it just to make the most of the space in here. We have a sleeping dog who's absolutely shattered after the move yesterday, and I have bags upon suitcases upon everything from my craft room. And this isn't it, there's some in the other room as well, so yeah, I'm dreading this. So I've already made a start up here in the corner, so I'm going to pop up there my smaller albums, my December dailies and such like that. I'm going to use this 1x4 here to store the 12x12 albums. Not much room on top, but I'll try and make use of that. And then, without trying to feel too sick, over here I've stacked two 2x2s on top of each other, again making the most of the room. And then I've just popped my kit boxes on top there already. So in this first cubby, I have stored the thickers. So I use these really useful boxes. They're the 9-litre ones. You can get the lids that are deeper, so it doesn't sort of squash your alphas, but to be fair, these are just sort of flat sticker ones anyway, so I'm not too fussed about that. And then in here I have the all the thicker branded ones, so these fit nicely into one of the cubes on the Kallax shelf. So that is those are my alphas and thickers organised. Where are we going?
IKEA.
We're going to IKEA, so I need to go and get some more Kallax storage units for my craft room, so I thought I would bring you along for the journey. We are currently sat in traffic, and I don't know how long this is going to take, maybe 45 minutes to get there. We used to live in Reading, where IKEA is, so we're heading back to our hometown, and yeah, bit of a craft room IKEA shop. How does it feel to be back in the hometown? We moved out
never left.
Like we moved out of 2 days ago. 3 days ago. IKEA is just over there. So we're in IKEA and it's absolutely heaving here today. So I don't know how well we're going to get on, but yeah, we'll take you around anyway. Like this. So we're in the lighting section in IKEA at the moment, and we spend probably a good half an hour in here. Hubby's an electrician, so this is his jam. I just want to get out of here. You having fun looking at lights?
Really, I'm trying to find the ones I want.
Got the timer going. I think we've been in here 25 minutes in this section so far. Here we have. So welcome to IKEA Reading. This is what happens. You can't actually leave the car park, so we're going to be stuck here for probably an hour before we can actually get out. Little update. We're in IKEA's car park still. They're sending us round the car park to get out the car park. Fun. Okay, just a bit of an updated tour. So this hasn't changed. I've actually added some of these boxes into the Kallax shelving. I've also gone and bought some of these today from IKEA, and these are the little drawer units, and the whole colouring around the house is grey, so I've bought those to match him. Now I have got my stamps. Now I store my stamps in the, most of them are stored in the Avery L pockets, and then they just go into these little containers. I did want to hide them away, but they don't fit too well in one of the boxes, so I'm quite happy to have them out there like that, and it does remind me then to use them. I've popped my typewriter just down there, keeping that in the box. So I've not really made much headroom over here. I've got a whole load of stuff over here that I want to de-stash. Just above my the Alex drawers, I just put my Martha Stewart scoreboard and also my little mini guillotine. Now up here I'm going to have all of my collection, so I do keep most of my stuff by collection, and so that I just store them in these 12 by 12 bags. Now these fit perfectly in this space, so I've got a feeling it's probably going to fill up all the way across there. I've added in these couple of boxes. One of them's got a whole load of random doilies in, and the other one has frames in. Over here I am going to switch this up. So I originally had, oh yeah, one update as well. I had my thickers in one of these originally. Now I've actually moved them over so they are more accessible. So I've got more than this, but I do need to go and dig them out and add them in. So basically I'm going to use 2 drawers across to store all of my thickers in. It does mean that they're right to hand them when I need them. So on here, what I'm doing, I'm actually going to change this up. So this is going to be my sort of knitting crochet latch hook station. So I'm going to change it all up, so I'll put all of the bits in here. At the moment there's still some paper items that will get shifted over to the big Kallax, but I'm just emptying boxes at the moment. So I had 3 Raskogs, I'm going down to 1. So this is the one that I'm keeping. In the top I'm storing my 6x6 pattern papers, because this Raskog can just be wheeled right across to my desk, and I can just grab what I need from here. And what I've done is I've separated it, so this is just generic paper, stuff that I might use for card making, and then this is all sort of Pink Fresh, My Mind's Eye, Amy Tan, all of the goodness. In the second tray I've got all of my Project Life cards, and they are jam-packed in there. I can't get anything more. I need to get them used up. Now I have one of these containers from IKEA already, and I just store random loose pattern paper in, so if I need something specifically I can have a dig through here, and generally I do find something. And these little tins, these are from the kitchen section in IKEA as well. I've got 3 of them, but 2 of them are currently missing somewhere in my unpacking, and I've got acetate pieces in this one. So this is the addition that I've added today. You're going to really have to excuse the mess over here, because we've just been messing around with the configuration. So I bought another 2x2 Kallax unit, and then I've bought a top to go along the top. So we've just fixed it to the wall. I already had this little grey drawer unit thing, which is great. This came from Costco. This is great for storing 12x12 paper and 12x12 layouts. So yeah, I'm going to have this as a little workstation for my printer, my Cricut, my sewing machine, that sort of thing. So I'm going to have it all set up here. I'm going to have my my die cutting, my big shop down here as well, so it's available and to hand for me to sort of come over here and use it. And it's great because you've got a little bit of leg room underneath here, so I can just wheel my chair over and underneath I go. So that is the update so far for the setup of my craft room. It is all looking very, very messy at the moment. There's still quite a few boxes to unpack, but we are getting there, so I'll keep you informed and updated. Good morning everyone. So this is the current state of my craft room. So just have a few things in the middle of the floor, but it is completely empty. So we had a leak in here, and I am going to reconstruct my craft room, and I thought I would film a video on how my craft room looks empty, freshly painted, and how it will look when I'm finished. So let's see. Okay, so I've had all of my stuff returned, and it's all in here. So I'm going to make a start on putting all of the furniture into position. Oh, may I overexpose there? I'm going to make a start on putting all the furniture into position as to where I want it. At the moment, I'm waiting for my desktop, which my parents have at their house. Long story, but I'm getting that back. I wasn't originally going to get that, but I'm going to get that back. But I'm going to make a start on the Kallax units, get them into position, and then I can start organising stuff. So originally this Kallax unit was over on this wall, but I'm wanting to extend the desk space on this wall. So this is where my desk originally was, and it came up to about here, but I'm putting in a longer desk to have some more desk space. So that's what's going to happen. Over here is going to be my sort of work, my tool station area. So I'm going to have my sewing machine, my typewriter, my Cricut, everything's going to go over in this space. As I said, at the moment we don't have the desk, we've only got a small desk, and the Alex drawers are going to be used for the desk legs, effectively. I'm going to go and get another set of Alex drawers. I've got 2 already. I'm going to get another one to go in the middle. And yes, I'm going to make a start on these shelves here and I'm going to start popping my stuff up there. Okay, so update as to where I'm at. So I've got a few things into position and I'm just figuring out where I want to put everything. So I haven't got my desk in at the moment. That will be going in tomorrow, and I've still got stuff in boxes, but I'll show you what I've done over here for the minute. So this is where my Kallax is. It was on this side of the wall and I've moved it over to this side. So in these boxes, or in these cubes here, are going to be these grey bins, purely because I need something in here that I can be able to just reach in, because the light switch for outside and in here is here, and it's a little bit tight getting your hand down the back. So the grey boxes are going to be going in here. Also, the reason I've done that is because I used to have my punches in one of my Alex drawers, but they became a bit heavy and I want to be able to get at them a bit quicker. And also when I go to crops as well, I can just grab that bin out and just go. So that belongs up here at the moment. So there's going to be grey bins all the way along here. I've got the grey bins, I've just not filled them yet. Up here at the moment, I have kits in these boxes here. They need to be sorted through because these are older bits, so these can probably just be dismantled and put into my stash. In these boxes here, I have got layouts that need to go away. So once those are all packaged away, these boxes will be going up in the loft because I don't want an abundance of layouts to put away. I've got more than this as well to go away. Then I've got these 2 from IKEA. I was hoping that they would actually fit inside a cube, but they don't. So what I've done in these, so this one here has got all of my stickers in. I used to have a sticker stadium, but it was sort of collapsing. So in here, not all of my stickers, I've got some of my stickers. There's still some more bits to be sorted. And then in this one, I have got word stickers. So I've got all of my Tim Holtz tiny word stickers. I've also got all of the American Crafts sticker books in there as well. I've got a few missing there around my craft room somewhere. Word stickers, little word sentiments. So all of those belong in there. So I don't know whether they're going to stay up there for the minute, but that's where I put them for now. The rest of it is a work in progress. So I've got, this is where I'm probably going to put my pattern paper. I have got these little paper storage boxes, but again, they're about a 1/2 inch too big to go into the cube, so I need to find a home for them. I have a box of things here that I need to sort. This Raskog's going into the garage. It's not going to be used in here. And then I've got a couple of boxes here and a broom and some cleaning stuff. Over here is going to be mainly where I keep all of my planner stuff. So I've already unpacked some of my planners. This is only a small amount. So I'm going to be putting all of my planners in here. I'm also getting some the shelves. The cupboard shelves from IKEA, so they're going to go at the back, so I can then use the back bit and I can still see what's in that shelf completely. So they're fairly empty at the moment. I do have the canvas boxes that go into these as well. Those are all upstairs, so I need to bring those down and start sorting through those. So some of the canvas boxes are going to be in here, and then some of the canvas boxes are going to be in this unit, and then I've obviously got my husband's clothes drying there as well. Those will be moved out. So this is where I'm at the moment. You can see all of these boxes here, and also my Boohoo order sat on the sofa as well. So all of this lot needs to be sorted through. I'm making my way through it. It's a little bit difficult without actually having the full desk in place at the moment. I don't want to be filling the Alex drawers until the desks are in place, because I don't want to have to move them with all of the stuff in. I am getting another set of Alex drawers as well, so that'll be 3 lots of the small 5 drawer Alex drawers. So I'll come back and do another update as and when I have got some more bits installed, but for now I'm just going to crack on with the Kallax unit and try and get some more bits sorted out in here. I don't like how clumpy this is at the top at the moment, so I want to create a little bit of space up here so I can put some different decorations and photo frames and stuff. So yeah, that's where I'm at.
We've actually done now.
So I thought I'd give you an update as to where I'm at in my craft room currently. I have the desk in, so I have my desk space now extended all the way along this wall. This is the current mess I have to deal with and find homes for. I've located my albums and they've gone on this 1x4 Kallax unit from IKEA. However, I've run out of space, so I can't fit any more albums here. I've got a little bit of a problem because this is a small stack of layouts that need to go away. And in those 3 boxes are layouts that need to go away. And in those boxes on the left, and the plastic boxes on the left-hand side are also layouts that need to go away. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with regards to all of my layouts, because I'm not too sure whether I've got enough page protectors to put them in or album space to put them in. So I need to think about what I'm going to do in terms of that. Because if I do need to extend my storage, my dog's just come in, if I do need to extend my storage for my albums, then I don't know where they're going to go at the moment. So this is where I'm at, and yeah, just cracking on with it.